Look at the definition. I am absolutely loving how the definition turning out. I'm gonna try twist out, and this is how my hair has been for the last 3 days. I had some smaller braids in, but because I was planning to, well, my wash day was around the corner, so I decided, since I'm going to try some gel, I decided not to do the wash day but to do the gel and to see how my hair would feel. I'm a little bit skeptical, but I'm gonna try it and see how it turns out, so wish me luck. And all I have to do is to make sure I spritz my hair with water. And another thing I want to determine if I'm going to have a center part or a side part. I think I'm gonna go with the side. This is almost at the side already. I think I'm gonna go with it like that and maybe do some twists right here and then puff up everything. I don't know. The first row for you to see how it is. And let me do this side since we're gonna be doing this side. And so we're gonna put up everything in one. And the smaller the braids, the better. It will be good to do this once your hair just is freshly washed. But as I said, mine is not freshly washed. And I'm going to see where it takes, how we will get this done. But I'm super excited about it. I can actually give you an idea of what it's going to be looking like. So I had these in for about 3 days. There it is. Ah, look at definition. So we're going to make them smaller. And one other thing we're going to try to do is to kind of pull them out. Let them come out like this. Yeah. We're going with some water like this. You can make it soaking wet depending on what you want. Then I'm going to go in with some leave-in conditioner. I'm actually using Auntie Jackie's hydrating leave-in conditioner. So this is what I'm using right now. I'm gonna go in with a generous amount like this. I'm gonna do as well, I'm going to take it into smaller sections, so you can actually use a comb or you can use your finger. It doesn't really matter because you're not going to see the part when you finish. I'm just gonna go in with what I generally use. I want the curls to hold a bit. I'm going to try the shine and jam, so I'm going to just go in with just a small amount, not a whole lot. Don't know what it's going to be looking like, and I'm going to apply it to the hair like I'm seeing I'm doing. Make sure everything gets touched, right? Look at that. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of oil to seal everything in. Don't know what is going to come out. Then I go in with little blue magic right there, as you see me there, to seal in. I'm going to be going in and I'm going to braid it. You could actually braid or twist, but because I want mine to be a little more defined and stretched, I will braid. I don't know, should I braid or should I twist? I don't even know. The braid would be easier to unravel, to be honest. I'm thinking, I don't know, should I braid, should I twist? Should I braid, should I twist? Braid, braid. I think I'm going to probably twist, because the twist, let me see, in the twist it's so much easier. So I'm thinking about the takedown process. I won't have a lot of time to get ready, so I'm going to go with this. Hope it doesn't fail me. I hope these white flakes will all get away. So there we go. That's the first one down. I don't know, I feel like I wanted to do the braid. The braid will give it a little bit more definition. I think I'm gonna change and do the braid. Change. I'm gonna change and do the braid instead. All right, let me see what's happening here. I'm just looking for the easiest thing to unravel when I'm ready. Maybe I braid at the bottom, twist. I'm gonna do that. It happens, guys, so don't worry about it. It does happen. So braid a part of the way and twist another part, and hoping it will dry in time. We're gonna have to start take down this pretty early. Started fret already. I think with the braid, it makes it more stretched, and because the hair is soaking wet with the gel and the leave-in cream and everything. All right, notice it's more stretched. So I think I'm gonna go with another one. So we already add a little leave-in conditioner. The hair was wet. Then we're gonna go in with little shine and jam. Pray, guys, that this dry, because if it doesn't dry tomorrow, oh my god, then this style will be ruined. Then I'm gonna go in with a little oil, and then you're gonna braid away. Remember, all the time when we come to the end, we always just do a nice little twist over here, because we want the ends to have a little definition too. Go around like this, and we let it go. Good. So we're done with this side. We have about 7. So we're done with just here. That's the front section, right? I will kind of carry everything to the front based on where I want it to fall. So you know the hair is wet, so it's shrunken up. And we're going to do this side right here. Then we do that, and I'll return and show you what it's looking like. We're basically done with the front. So we have about 7 again, another 7 on this side. Here's one, and we have 7 on this side. So we have 3 big ones at the back, and we're gonna do them just as how we did this side. So let's do that. Finally at the last one. There it is. Ooh, this took me about 2 hours to do. Can I say I'm so happy I made it to the last one? And you know what we do when we reach to the end? We're going to twist in a little bit closer up. But finally. But I'm putting a little mousse in it. There it is. So this is the next day. Let me see. This looks good. It looks good, right? It feels nice. And so all we're going to do now, we're going to unravel. Actually feel real moist just the same. I don't know if it's going to do anything, but I'm still going to put a little oil on my hand just to unravel. I don't have much time, you know. I have about 2 minutes. Remember, we twist the ends. All right. This looks like it's going to take longer than I anticipated. But I'm going to go through with it just the same. No, I regret making it this small. Honestly, I really regret. I know I was gonna have this issue, but nonetheless, we're still gonna take our time because we want our curls to be defined. Look at that already, God. Oh my gosh. Look at the definition. Wow. I am absolutely loving how the definition turning out. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it looks good. Guys, are you seeing all of this? Oh, I'm done with this side. I am loving it. I think the mousse actually helps holding it together. Wow, I love it. I absolutely love it. These curls are popping. So I'm gonna finish this side and the guys. No, tell me. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm done with this side, so just a few in the back that is left, and we are done. Ah! Whoa, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my God. Let me tell you something, guys. If you want to get your curls more puffy, you're gonna use this and do this. I can't get it, but I don't want to mess too much with these curls. They are just popping. So I'm going to take off this and just complete it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to take a picture outside so you can see it. Oh my God. Guys, tell me you don't love it. So you all see it. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm feeling all up with myself. My hair felt really nice and soft, and I just love the final look. So thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy, go right ahead, give me a thumbs up. You can leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.